Where that shit
Hey,
at?
what's up, Glock?
Where you shot at, 5?
What's up?
Yeah. Where that shit at? What you drinking, my boy?
I'm drinking on a beer, my boy.
I drinking beer. Fuck it. I toast with you. Fuck it. Come on, I'll take a little sip. Yeah. Come on. What that is? Bud Light?
There you go.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit so nasty, my boy. Ugh.
Hey, man. All I
Boy
know
said he got
now,
Bud Light. You know what I'm saying? My grandma love that motherfucker. Oh, God. The blue can. Let me see it again. I knew it. I told you, Bud Light. Straight up. I ain't 5.
Hey, man. I hope you're doing well, man.
I'll do this. I'll add somebody. Man, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Help me out. Hey, God, what I do? What I click on, my boy?
I don't fucking know, dog. You probably know how to work this shit better than I do, bro.
Hold on. All right. Straight up.
Straight up and down,
Damn,
man.
I ain't do it. Yeah. I feel like, oh, here, I don't even know how to work the phone. Come on. I let him slide with the Bud Light. Come on, man. Where this shit at? What y'all? Come on, take one with me. Drop 5. Drop number 5. You can ready to take a shot with me. I ain't gonna lie. I just got off live with Stone Cold. Yeah. I just had Stone Cold on my live. Big Bud Light. Hold on. I said drop 5. This nigga drop 4 fold. Want to be cool ass nigga, man. Hold on. I can't see. There you go. Hold on. Y'all talking too much. I can't click on nobody and add them. Hold on.